Good evening, class. Myself, Umesha Rathore, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we are learn about Introduction to Product Layout of the subject Industrial Engineering, subject code 3351904 from Mechanical Engineering Department. Start with introduction. In a manufacturing engineering, a product layout refers to a production system where the workstation and equipment are located along the line of production. So what did it mean to say? The machine and equipment are set along a line through which the product is passed. So it will make a smooth flow of the workpiece from moving one to another machine. And as with the assembly lines, usually work units are moved along a line. In normal process, we have to see we go for different machines to the operation of workpiece. Not necessarily a geometric line, but set of interconnected workstation. If the proper plant layout is not given, we have to move very long distance or path to move from one machine to another machine. So it is not necessary to move along a straight line or a cross line or a incline or a perpendicular line. By a conveyor. So in process layout, the whole process is carried out on a one line or a conveyor for a smooth process. Work done is small work done in small amounts at each of the workstation on the line. So here the work is divided into small type of workstation. So each workstation perform only one task. To use the product layout, the work to be performed must be divisible into small tasks as we discussed in above that can be assigned to each of workstation. Because of the workstation, each of the small amount of work, the station utilize specific techniques and equipment tailored to the individual job. So every workstation have a special technique to perform their special task and with their equipment, with individual job, whatever they are assigned. So what can it can lead? So it can lead to a higher rate of production. Let we have take one example of water bottle packaging unit. So first what we need a storage tank, then the distillation of water carried out, then bottle filling is carried out. Next one is bottle capping. After filling up the bottle, it is necessary to cap it. Next one is labeling, which company it has manufacturing the product. It label the bottle. Coding, if there are more production is to be carried out. Packaging, and the last move to a warehouse of product. From there it delivered where it required. So what are the advantages of product layout? The first one is smooth flow of material. So as we seen in our example, the water bottle moves up along a straight line and a smooth flow is carried out. It reduces material handling. Okay, there is no extra material equipment required for handling it. Less floor area occupied because the process goes under a smooth flow line. So no more area is required. Better utilization of man and machine. As we discussed in introduction, all work divided into small steps. So the better utilization of man and machine. suitable for mass production and standard product. Here, the only concentration given to the one product. So there will be a chances of mass production and the standard production is achieved. Repetitive productions or semi-skilled worker can be employed for work. Okay, we have make only one product, so no more pay of attention required. Every semi-skilled worker can also be carried out. Production planning and control is easy because of a smooth line flow and one type of product. The production time of reduced. Obviously, with more along a straight and smooth flow, the total time of production is be reduced and the low manufacturing cost per unit. As we discussed, it's a mass production, so the per head or per unit manufacturing cost is low. What are the limitations? More idle time is available on one machine and equipment. If one workstation is completed work, then it's idle for another one. So more idle time is available on one machine and equipment. Breakdown of one machine can lead to complete stoppage. As we discussed in our example, if bottle capping is breakdown, the further process is cannot be completed. So breakdown of one machine lead to a complete storage. Specialized and strict supervision needed. Okay, our layout related with a process layout and a smooth line flow. So very strict and supervision needed. If there is a breakdown in any one of process, the whole layout is undergoes a breakdown. More investment behind machine and equipment because we have to take special type of product, so more investment behind man and machine required. No flexibility which is generally required. Okay, there is no any other alternative option for producing products, so no flexibility which is available in another plant layout. Operator feel boredom due to one type of work. With same type of work, every person feel bored to do some same type of work every day and every hour. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.